We have warmer air and thunderstorms in our near-term forecast as we have a warm front pushing in, bringing in the spring-like warmth, finally get back to average, but we also have to watch out for pockets of heavy rainfall. On satellite and radar right now, we're watching a weather system work its way in from the southwest, and that'll bring with it, again, that warmth, but along that warm front, expecting a round of thunderstorms tonight. Right now, the area is staying dry or a little cloudy. We should stay that way throughout the evening. Those thunderstorms and showers over Iowa tracking to the northeast, so that should avoid the area for now. As we look at future track, late this evening, that's when showers and storms start to move in from west to east. You can see them arriving around Rockford by about 11 p.m., mostly garden variety showers and storms here. Late after midnight, though, we could see some stronger storms and pockets of heavy downpours, so that raises the risk of heavy rainfall, hefty rain totals, and issues then if you're out driving early Thursday morning. That heavy rain starts to wrap up after sunrise, but more on the way after that. We have a slight risk still for flash flooding widespread across the state line. As you saw in future track, it will be very isolated because there may be just little pockets of heavier rainfall, but something to keep in mind early in the morning. Of course, if you see a flooded road, do not drive into it. When it comes to rain totals, we'll have pockets of 1-inch totals. So not all areas picking up that much rain, but there is that potential, as you can see, for here and there 1-inch plus rain totals as a result of those little pockets of heavy rainfall working through overnight. Temperature-wise, we stay very mild, 53 degrees coming for the overnight low, thanks to that warm front coming in. We have to keep an eye out, again, for that heavy rain possibility late overnight. Tomorrow, after some morning rain, we get up to 70 in the afternoon with a brief break in activity, then strong storms possible later on in the evening. So we almost get 2 rounds of rainfall here, one early, one late on Thursday. And that later round may be the one that brings some severe weather, damaging winds and large hail, the main threats. Isolated tornadoes can't be ruled out. A level 2 across much of the state line with the exception of Stevenson County and far northern Winnebago and Boone counties. So we'll have to keep a very close eye on that into tomorrow evening. On top of that, another slight risk for flash flooding. The higher risks look to be our south, but with enough heavy rainfall, we could have that issue pop up as well. As you can see on future tracks, storms get going around 5, and after 5 is when we could have, as you can see, sporadic strong storms popping up on radar, and then into the evening, a round of heavy rainfall, as you can see, setting up mainly south of I-88. So that's when we definitely have to watch out for the possibility of flash flooding. We should be dry by the time we get to Friday. By then, a good 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall likely. So hefty rain totals, even if we don't see flash flooding, that could raise the risk for river flooding into early next week. So something to watch out for, as we could see additional rain coming up this weekend. But by then, temperatures near average. Early next week, we dry out and continue to warm up close to 80 by the middle of next week, Kristen.
Sounding like summer out there, Alex. Thank you.